Hello, I'm Victoria Chemko, founder of Umami Marketing. This month, I'll be talking about why strategy is important for your business's marketing success. So keep on watching to find out all the details in this edition of the Digital Marketing Postcard. A strategy is a course of action carried out to achieve a specific objective. Essentially, in regards to business, once you understand your company's goals, you can then create your strategy to meet those goals. With that in mind, here are key reasons why strategy is so important for marketing success for your business. 1. Save time and money. Everyone is busy, but the worst thing to do is to not have an effective marketing strategy in place, which then leads to more craziness and wasted time and resources. With a thoughtful and well-crafted strategy in place, your business will have the ability to know where to best allocate funds and energy of team members across the organization to achieve your objectives. A strategy will save time by identifying which tools, platforms, and best campaigns to focus on to result in the most market share. 2. Gain focus and direction. Having a comprehensive marketing strategy will also allow a specific direction and focus so that everyone can be proactive instead of reactive and move towards the same goals company-wide. To be effective, it must ensure that the business's messaging is consistently portrayed both internally to the company and externally to your target market. This will allow coordination of deliverables through an integrated plan across all team members or departments to eliminate any inefficiencies and maximize profits. 3. Differentiate your business from the others. To gain better qualified leads who will potentially turn into customers, you'll need to understand both your business's key advantages and its drawbacks. You'll need to take a really hard look at how you stand out from the crowd and determine your key differentiators. Then, you can fine-tune your target market and ideal customer profile. From there, you'll be able to put together a strategy to have your audience understand your value proposition. 4. Allow consistency across the team. Everyone within a company may have different priorities at any given time. Think of the different perspective that may come from a team member in product development versus sales versus customer success. Having a coherent marketing strategy that's understood across the organization will allow for greater consistency, better decision-making, and the ability of a business to plan and move forward together to reach its objectives. 5. Create a plan and execute together. Understanding all of this is what allows for a plan to be created to actually execute step by step on how to achieve the marketing strategy. Regardless of all the moving parts in an organization, an effective marketing strategy helps to communicate a company's products and services effectively in order to drive results to increase the bottom line. So to summarize, why is strategy important for marketing success? 1. Save time and money. 2. Gain focus and direction. 3. Differentiate your business from the others. 4. Allow consistency across the team. And 5. Create a plan and execute together. So now that you know more about why strategy is so important for your marketing, please check out our recent blog post covering more useful inbound marketing tips. And if you like this video, subscribe to the Umami Marketing YouTube channel and our monthly digital marketing postcard. I'll be back again in July to chat about more of your digital marketing questions. So I'll see you then. Take care.